feeling stuck in corporate, can't find new opportunities, why the job market has collapsed? Will there be any signs of recovery at least in future, or will it be the same pattern in coming days as well? If these are your questions, Vedic astrology has answers for it. In Ramya Jyotish, I am providing these answers with proper logical explanation. As per Vedic astrology, Shanidev and Rahu are the main reasons for current ongoing conditions in the market. In the late 2022, when artificial intelligence came into the market, the significator of this artificial intelligence, Rahu, was in Aries, Mesh Rashi, which represents the head, that is well known for intellectual capabilities. In the early 2023, Shanidev moved to Kumbha Rashi or Aquarius sign, which is the natural 11th house from the Kalpurush Kundli perspective. This 11th house represents the Labhasthana, or in the modern times it is the house of professional income. Shanidev being in Kumbha Rashi through its third aspected Rahu in Mesh Rashi. So the Shanidev and Rahu connection was there. Not conjunction, it is connection. So this Shani-Rahu connection started this peculiar trend in the job market, that is limiting the salaries, limiting the opportunities, and that's when this low hike, low bonus, low salary, dry promotion, all these dramebazes started. All of these are actually called as cost cutting in corporate language, which most of the corporate companies adopted because they are very fond of cost cutting. And because of this trend, the job market slowly, gradually started to collapse. In the year 2025, when Shanidev and Rahu came very close in Meena Rashi, because in the late or in the end of March 2025, Shanidev came to Meena Rashi, and the conjunction of Shani and Rahu happened in the April 2025. And when both met and passed in the different directions, we could see layoffs also, change in the projects as well, or the downsizing of hierarchies, or closure of many projects, and many havoc started in the job market. Now, currently Shanidev is in Meena Rashi, where he is Nicha Bilashi, as well as he is now Vakri from 13th of July, and also Rahu is in Kumbha Rashi, which is the natural 11th house. So somewhere Rahu is hiding that 11th house, that is the house of professional income, and Shani in the 12th house is creating that loss, or not actually showing up the opportunities at all. Because Shanidev being a natural malefic, whenever he transits in any Rashi, he limits the significance of that Rashi, and that's why the loss of opportunities or the loss of investments, everything is very high right now. But will there be signs of recovery at least in future? If so, when? Then for that we first have to analyze the COVID times, when jobs were abundant, or when great resignation or great reshuffle happened. In the late 2020, Shanidev was in Makar Rashi in his own sign, and Rahu was in Vrishab Rashi, where he is considered to be exalted. At this time, there was one planet which was keeping both the planets in control, and that was none other than the great savior or the great protector, Jupiter, Guru or Brihaspati. Guru was debilitated in Makar Rashi, but through its fifth aspect, it was controlling Rahu, and also being in conjunction with Shanidev, even Shanidev was also considerate, and that's how the market was wide open even at the times of COVID. So both Shanidev and Guru's conjunction in the natural 10th house Makar Rashi led to the great resignation, great reshuffle, and Rahu being in the second house made sure that everyone gets high fat salaries as well. That's why the coming year 2021 was such a big boom in the job market industry that everyone was switching the jobs, and that's how the great reshuffle happened in the job market industry. But the 2022, 2023 and the next years led to kind of downfall of the job market industry because of Shani Rahu's close connection. And Jupiter was not in that good strength, or was not able to control these two planets. Now Jupiter is coming back again, to the right position where it can actually aspect both Saturn, Rahu and also the 10th house. Currently, Jupiter being in Mithun Rashi is aspecting Rahu through its 9th aspect. And when it comes to Cancer sign in October, he will start aspecting the Capricorn as well as the Capricorn Lord Shanidev, who is in Meena Rashi. Jupiter coming to Cancer is one of the best event to happen in Vedic astrology, because Jupiter gets exalted in Cancer. That is, he will be 100% powerful, and this year he will be in this position only for 50 days, around 50 days. So Guru being in Karkatak Rashi will aspect the 10th house, the natural 10th house, which is house of profession, and also the lord of that Capricorn or Makar Rashi, which is Shanidev, who is in the 12th house. So this is when the market will open up. So why does Jupiter's aspect has such importance? Jupiter has Amrita in its aspect. It carries Ganga Jal in its aspect. And that's why Jupiter's aspect has such high importance. Whichever Rashi Jupiter aspects will get that nourishment. Jupiter will be aspecting Makar Rashi, which is the natural 10th house, that is house of profession, and also Meena Rashi, which is its own Rashi, but that is where Shanidev is placed, who is the natural 10th house as well as 11th house lord. So because of this, we can see the job market may have a wide opening by the end of 2025. Mainly, importantly, because Jupiter is in the 4th house, the Karkatak Rashi, which represents the house of throne, and he is exalted there, we may even see the leadership roles opening in the market. But the opportunities wouldn't be in a very high number, though Jupiter is the planet of expansion. So we may see a very good amount or decent amount of opportunities flowing into the market. And for every opportunity, there will be 100 potential candidates. So we have to upskill ourselves. We have to be ready to actually face the interview, because interviews would be very tough. Post September 13, when the opportunities start flowing in the market, Mangal or the Mars, who is the fierce competitor, would be in Tula Rashi and will be receiving the Jupiter's aspect. So only a wise, analytical as well as who is technically sound would get selected or would get shortlisted, even for the non-technical roles, because technical capability, technical advancement has become very important in the last 2.5 years, and that's what we can see during this time as well. If you miss this opportunity, no worries, we'll get the similar opportunities the next year from June 2026 till November 2026. That time period also, Jupiter would be in Karkatak Rashi and Shani would be in Meena Rashi, Rahu would be in Kumbh Rashi. So we can see the same similar kind of golden opportunity flowing for the employees who want to switch out also in the next year. So start preparing yourself, start upskilling yourself. A golden opportunity is waiting for you. Please provide your feedback in the comment section and let me know how's your preparation going on.